Okay, hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Miami, it's Capital Trade Center. I am Alberto German, and I'm gonna be reading the market, the S&P 500, live, real time, as it is happening, minute to minute, tick by tick, for all of you here, my traders at Capital Trade Center, all right? In other words, in front of a studio audience, right? In front of you, all professional traders, right? Just like we do every day. All right, so let's see what we have for today. All right, so this low right here that the market just placed, right here, right? 31, is gonna be extremely important for us, okay? It's gonna be really important for us. Okay, this 31 right here, right, really important. All right, why? Well, we have a bullish bias. We believe the price is going to bounce back. It's going to go all the way to the high, 36, 37, and it's going to continue to 40, 41, 42, 40, 42. That's what we believe is going to happen. Oh, okay, terrific. Yeah, that's right. Number one. Number two, clean break of, we're always, right? Clean break of this low right here, 31. Then the price is going to continue going down all the way to nothing. 27 first. It's only going down 4 points. 27. All right. So 27, ladies and gentlemen, is the first support, right? 27. Okay. 27 is the first support, right? We believe that the price is gonna continue going up. It's gonna test the high and go to, what did I say, 41, 42, right? All right, that's what I think is gonna happen. 41, 42. We're gonna break this high right here, 36, and we'll continue going to 41, right? So 41, ladies and gentlemen, is, in other words, the first resistance. 41, 42. Okay. All right. So right now we are in a wave in which the high is 37 and the low is 27. Only 10 point. It's a 10-point wave. We have to now analyze the wave and figure out if this wave is a bullish wave, is a bearish wave. What kind of wave is it, right? That's what we want to know. Alrighty then. Clean break of 31. Price is gonna go to the low of the wave, which is 27, and then we'll take it from there. I'm not expecting a clean break of the low 27 because the overall market direction is bullish. It's slightly bullish, right? So, So why would price break 27, right? If it's the low of this wave. Well, there is one way that it would. If this wave is a bearish wave, then it'll break it. It'll break 20, right? It'll break 31, which is right here, somewhere around the middle. It goes to 27, and then if it was a bearish wave, which we don't know yet, then sure, price will dance around a little bit, 27, 26, and bada bing, bada boom. Okay, gee, all right, okay, and okay, all right. So 27. Give me a second right here. Okay, the first support below 27 is 3 more points down, 24. Okay. All right. So this thing is shaping up, and I have, and ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to know that the market has a whole bunch of different trends, move, short term, medium term, right, long term, chop, right, trend, oscillate. The market is changing all the time. Alrighty then. Okay, so what do we need to do now? We need to if there is a break of 31, we know price is going to continue going to 27. Our job is to figure out whether it's breaking 31 and going to 27 because the bears took over the overall market direction for real. So in other words, it's going to continue going down. Or is this smart money only stop fishing, right? Okay. Alrighty. So we go with the odds. Long story short. Okay, we go with the odds. Okay, time right now. It's at 9:18, 12 minutes to open. And let's see. Right, let's see. What is this thing up to? Okay. This is what's important. We are in a sideways. We are in a sideways wave. All right, clean break of 31 at the open. The momentum is going to take it all the way to 27. However, we already know that this is the overall market direction is bullish, number one. Number two, we know that this wave is a snake sideways, right? Momentum breaks an easy support, which is 31 right here. It'll take it to 27, and then we're gonna be expecting a bounce off of 27 because it's a snake wave, righty? Okay, now, can I guarantee that, Mystique?
No.
Of course not. We got to see the momentum and we know the open, right? A lot of traders don't trade the open because the open is really tough. All right, but we have number one direction, our bias. We prefer to be bullish than to be bearish. Of course, we can change hats in a matter of seconds. I can go from being bullish to being bearish in a matter of seconds, right? Because that's what the market does. It changes all the time. The more the market changes, the more difficult the action is gonna be. All right, because it's changing. You have to change with the market. Oh my God, it's changing again. Oh my God, it's changing again. The more you change, the more difficult it is. Definition of chop. If it changes up, if it changes down, if it changes to up, that's chop, right? All right, so that's what we're after. However, we already have a bias, bullish, and that the price is going to go to 41, 42. From where? Well, of course, from support. So we're going to be looking to buy support. We prefer to buy support than to sell resistance. Now, clean break of 31. If you are an aggressive trader, you know it's going to go to 27, 4 points. So is it worth it for you to go ahead and give it a shot or not? Right? All right. Here we go. All right. So far, right, we're doing good. That long 31, right? 31, 32, right? The going break, it's okay. It's down to the upside. Now, 37, right? It's the high of this snake wave. So supposedly, this 37 is going to stop the price, right? Because it's the high and it's a wave. So sell 37, buy 27, right? So we're long 31 here, right? We have a bias bullish. So what do we want? Well, we want the price to break 37 and take us to 41, 42, right? Because we have a bullish bias. We believe that, just like I said at 9 a.m., we believe that the price is going to continue going up. It's going to test the high, 36, 37, break it, and go to 41, 42. We are in a chop right now. Okay, so we are watching 31 like a hawk, right? Because we know that this thing can change any second. This thing can destroy 31, right? And the bulls, which is exactly what smart money likes to do. Look at that. Is that 31 to the tick, Mystique? So we all know that 31, I told you 31 is going to be a toughie, right? All right. Well, we have to go with the odds, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Those of you who were waiting for 31, right? So that you can have a nice risk-reward ratio, at least, right? 31 to 37. That's 6 points, right? Yes. And a clean break of of 31, we know it's going to go to 27. We're not going to let it go to 27, right? We stop right there. So the risk reward ratio is like a 1, 2, 2 to 4, right? So that's like what, like 1 to 2. That's not bad. And this is only 37 is only resistance. It's not a target. Alrighty? Okay. It's not a target. Okay. You know, it says target here. I haven't had time to change it, but we believe it's going to take it. So, even though the wave is a snake, we're not going to be quick to the trigger to sell 72 because we believe the price is going to take it and continue to 41, 42. Right? And we're not sure we are already long. Oh my God, Capi, look at this, man. 31. I took this 31. It went to 34. That's beautiful, man. I made 3 points in 3 seconds. That's terrific, buddy. Well, it's terrific for for a scalper. Yeah, we are a scalper. I know we are a scalper. Yeah, but we scalp 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 points. That's what we scalp. All right, and then we peel off, and right when we catch a trend, which pretty much not all trends are created equal. Some are bigger than others, but the market pretty much always reveals itself to us here. All right, so continue watching. We never let a winner turn into a loser, do we? You see, we never let a green day go red, do we? That's a capital sin here.
That's correct.
All right, so we are in a chop, 31, right? 31, this one right here, 31, 36, right? In a chop here. Remember, the smart money is vicious, okay? If our forecast that the price is going to test the high, break, and continue to 42 happen later on, well, smart money doesn't want us to know that, do they, Mystique?
No, they don't.
All righty then. Okay, clean break of this right here, right? Look how the smart money is taking 31, but it cannot clean take it. Look at it. It just cannot clean take it. Look at that, 30 quarter, right? It takes 31, it goes to 30 half, giving the bulls a perfect razor sharp entry. Comes right back down. We all know the importance of 31. That's number one. And we all know that we are in an out of balance market condition, which diminish the accuracy of whatever forecast I give you. It's lower. Market is not moving in the harmony as we like it to be. And that's what separates the professional trader to the to the other traders. Okay? Oh my God, Capi, look at that, 31, man. I'm getting in, and now I'm paying a lot of commission. Commission is just the cost of doing business. All right? Okay, so hang in there, right? Don't no shenanigans. All right, so clean break of 31. We were expecting the price to continue to 27, right? This is not a clean break, is it? The bulls are not allowing the bears to clean take it. Look at it. Chop as it gets. So you hang in there, be strong, and we'll see how we're gonna see, right? We're gonna see how the market, the price, which is very important, we're gonna see how it behaves. All right. Chop, ladies and gentlemen, is our worst enemy, isn't it? And our best friend is volatility. What would you say the price action is right now? Chop liver. All right. So if you understand that concept, which you are all professional traders, and of course you understand the concept, you know exactly that what the price is doing right now is not following through with anything. I mean, we were long 31, price went to 36, it gave us 5 points, It came right back down. It took your trail. You know the importance of 31. You know that we are in an out of balance condition. We just have to continue analyzing the market tick by tick, minute to minute, second by second, right? So that it won't shake us out, right? Price break 31, right? It tries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes to try to take it. It's not a clean break, but we all know that as long as the price is below 31, it's going to be looking to go all the way to 27. What else do we know? We know that the overall market condition is bullish. So the lower it gets and the lower entry support that you get, then if we are right and 27 holds, then we'll have an even better and bigger risk-reward ratio. 27 to 37, that's 10 points, right? Alrighty then. Okay, in the meantime, you are managing your position. You know that the price is below 31. You know the bears took over temporarily, in our humble opinion. And that's exactly what the smart money does, right? So like I told you, if you are an aggressive trader, you're short 31, right? It's not a clean break, so you have to put up with not making this 4 points in 4 seconds, right? Look at that, boom, right? 27.75. Okay, alrighty. Okay, but we've known since 9 a.m. that break of 31, clean breaks would have taken it to 27, follow through, nice. All right, okay. It's not a clean break, but it's a break nevertheless. Look at the way it goes. It broke it, and then at the minute 3:37, it goes up. 31 is obviously became resistance. That's easy. So we believe that the short-term move is because of confirmation of break of 31. We believe that the short-term move is a continuation down to 27. That's what I told you half an hour ago, and that's what I still expecting to happen. Short-term. A little longer term bounce off of 27, right? If the smart money is really vicious today, and they are gonna take 27 as well, which we're gonna be really careful because we are expecting a bounce. Therefore, we will be looking to buy it. We need to know, hey, what if we are wrong and the smart money destroys 27 and continue going down? Where is it gonna go? Well, we need to know that, right? What's the squeeze? It's 24. It's right there, right? 24 is the squeeze, 3 points. All right. None of these are targets. None of these are targets. These are just minor levels of support and resistance. Good to go. Yes. All right. So we have, remember that we're always after 3 moves. Short term, right? The tempo move. We are after the sway play, which is the medium term, right? Which is the one that we're at. Those of us who believe that the price is later on going to 37 and what was the other mistake? Let's bring it back right there. 41, right? Then you got to be strong. Don't let the smart money shake you out, right? All right, so price broke 31, right? And then it may be the amateurs thought, oh my God, broke 31. This thing is going to continue going down. Let's all go short. They're shorting right now. They have no idea that the real intention of the smart money is to go up like we said it at 9 a.m. this morning. So what do? I told you they're gonna take the 31. They're gonna take the stops of all the traders that have no clue what the future shape of the chart is gonna look like, and they're gonna take them all out. And some of them are even gonna go short 28. We, on the other hand, we see the price going down, and we start salivating because our bias is bullish. And I told you, the lower it goes, and the better the risk-reward ratio we're gonna have, because a clean break of 26, we get the hell out, right? Of 26, not of 27, right? And we are expecting. So remember, direction up, entry location, the support, stop, protection, clean break of 27. What the hell are we gonna wanna be long if the price breaks 27, if we know that the smart money is gonna be looking to squeeze the weak bulls all the way to 24, right? All right, good. And then we continue with our direction forecast, which we believe is still a move up. It's a little biased. It's not as strong, right? Because the market is out of balance. So when the market is out of balance, remember what we do. When the market is not moving in harmony with our system, what do? We reduce our size. We're just warming up. Long story short, right? All right, so price takes 31, right? Big time chop, and look at that. Oh my God, Capi. Yeah, I mean, great, man. This thing went all the way to beautiful to 34, but look, man, oh my God. Oh, of course, what do you think bears are doing right now? They're shorting above 31 because they're doing exactly the same thing that we are doing. They want to have a nice risk-reward ratio. They want to have a nice risk-reward ratio for the short play. Okay? All righty then. Okay, so this is the cost of doing business. Boom, 27, right? Okay, so, oh my God, Capi, this thing looks like it's going to continue going down. Well, we all know, right? We all know that 27 is the low of this wave. Clean break of 27, price is going to continue going all the way to 24. That's the squeeze, okay? Oh my God, Capi, so price is below 31, right? It took it, it went up, it came down. Look at the drop, right? Look at that drop from 34, bang, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 25. Oh my God! Alrighty then. Okay, so market is out of balance. Okay, 24. Okay, 24 is the squeeze, right? So 24 is the squeeze. Okay. Alrighty then. 24 is the squeeze, and smart money. It's still looking to continue. Remember that in terms of the longer term play, we can change hats any second, right? So short term below 31, the bears are in control. Okay, aggressive trader, just like I told you, right, are short 31, and they love it if the price had gone to 37. So the short term main play is short. We have to change with the whatever action we see. 31 is telling us exactly what's going on. All right, but we want to go with a better risk-reward ratio. All right, so okay, so price went all the way to 27.5, and then it moved up all the way to 34, right? So those of you who took a shot 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, that's 6 points, right? Price goes right back down. It breaks 31. You're not long anymore at break of 31. And if you're aggressive, you are short 31. You have a sell stop 31 because you know it's going to go to 27. And you are hoping, which is a word that we don't use much in day trading, that it continue going down because you are an aggressive trader. You saw the break of 31. You change hats to bear. You know that a clean break of 31, the price was going to go to 27. Bam! It did. And you know, okay, so, oh my God, Capi, yeah, but I'm looking to go long here, 27, man. Sure, absolutely. That's the longer term play. We are watching how the price broke 31, right? So the main play is short 31 going to 27. We are expecting a bounce. Oh my God, it's not coming. Yeah, we don't. Remember what I told you. Break of 27, you don't want to be long anymore because we know that the smart money is going to take it to 24 to squeeze the bulls. We know that, right? That's what we think is going to happen. Oh, okay, I understand. All righty then. So let's go ahead and make sure that we're all clear. Price below 31, bears are in control. Main play is short. That's the main play, the current play, right? As long as the price was 31, the main play was long. Break of 31, the main play is short. This is for the short term, the tempo play. Longer term, until I tell you that that's not going to happen anymore, we are still of the belief that the market is going to continue going up to the high, at least to the high of the wave. In the meantime, scalpers, as long as the price is below 31, you still want to be short. And what do? You want the price to, you want Goldman Sachs to take the price all the way to 24. That's what you want to happen. That's what you want to happen, right? Why? Because you're short that clean break of 31, the clean break that I told you today at 9 a.m. Look at that. Look at this clean break of 91 at 9:44. At 9:44 New York time today. All right. Short term, short. Medium term, long. Okay? Medium term is bigger than short term, right? It's medium term. And long term is even bigger than medium term, right? That's when we nail a trend, when we catch a trend, and that's the durable play. All right, so 27, right? 27, what do you think 27 is going to be? Pretty similar to 31, right? Break of 27. We believe the price was going to continue going all the way to 24. It went to 25, 1 point. What do you think happened here at 25? Bulls jumping the gun. Instead of buying 24, they're jumping the guns because they are of the belief that the medium-term play is bullish. They believe that this thing is going to continue going down. Well, all right, 27s. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is one of the toughest actions there are in trading, especially at the open. All righty, okay. You need to understand that, right, if you're not fast at pulling the trigger when the price broke 31, right, you're probably only waiting for the recoil, but you need to understand, okay, I believe that's 24, right, to the tick, and boom, bada bing, bam, boom, bing. All right, and ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna continue going down all the way to 21. All right, it's gonna continue going down all the way to 1. So, those of you who are fast, price broke 31 to the upside, you went long. Price broke 31 to the downside, you know that the price was going to continue to 27, it squeezed 24, and the first support is 21. Ladies and gentlemen, 21 is target 1 for the short 31. 10 points. Repeat. Target 1 is 21, which is 10 points below 31. That's target 1. All right? So those traders that were fast or had a sell limit 31, in case that it broke it, then you want to let it ride all the way to 21. Okay, you want to lock 10 points, boom, right here. All righty? All right, so that's 1975. We're going to call it 20, and that's target 1. From 31 to 21, that's 10 points. Okay, that's 10 points. All right, the bears continue being in control, and we believe that target 1, the reason 21 is target 1 is because in our system, that 21, it's support. It's an important level of support. That's why we have to lock 10 points. We have to lock unit 1. We have to lock it right here at 21. 10 points from 31. It's support, right? Yes. It's target 1, yes? So we are of the belief that because it's support, there could be an okay probability that a counter trend long is going to give us an okay, decent move. So, because it's target 1, we automatically go long, like we always do. It's a rule to go long target 1 if it's to the downside, and to go short target 1 if it's to the upside. So let's continue. All right, look at this beauty. Those of you who have no problem counter trending, right, which if you are in this room, you have to counter trend. Now, the counter trend, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't necessarily mean that you have to get all out of your current short position 31. We're never going to let a winner turn into a loser. The short 31, if this counter trend takes it all the way to 31, of course you're going to get all out, because a clean break of 31, remember, longer term play was and still is bullish to 37, break of 37, and continuation to 41, 42, right? Until I tell you otherwise, that's what we're expecting to happen. In the meantime, we're scalping short 31, and we know that the target 1 is 21, 10 points down, and that's not only a counter trend long 21, but it's also the first long for that medium term play that we are expecting the price to do, which is to go to the high of the wave 37, break it, and continue to 41. Now, all right, so we're long counter trend 21, and we are short clean break of 31, right? No, Capi, I'm not sure, because look at that break, man. It was too fast and too steep, and you were saying that the price was going to go down. It's okay. If you're not sure that 31, no problem. You're long right here, 21. That's all there is to it. All right, so 21, right? Okay, as the counter trend, and it's a counter trend, and for those who are short 31, and is the first entry long for those that are not interested in trading the short-term play, but the medium-term play. You long 21, 20, if you wanted to give yourself, a little bit of room, and price goes from 20 all the way to 28 in a couple of minutes. So the long 21 counter trend, or the establishing a new position long because you want to trade in harmony with the medium term play, you're up 8 points. Stop break even, start trailing. This, ladies and gentlemen, you will not read in any book anywhere in the world. This type of trading, it doesn't exist. Depending on your trading experience, well, maybe you're getting it, maybe you're understanding everything, depending on your trading experience, right? But the free trial that we offer here is so that you can tell whether we are the real deal or not, whether we know what we're talking about, right? That's pretty much. And then make a decision if you want to become a member of our family here. I know family is a cliche, but it's true. Right? We all help each other, we all talk to each other. But our job is to concentrate 100%. 99% is not going to make it. It's not going to cut it. It's got to be 100%. Otherwise, you're going to, one key word, you miss it. If you flinch, right, you'll get punished. So this is a very important information that we just had right now. The overall market direction bias bullish that we had today at 9, as long as the price didn't break 31, right? We knew that break of 31, bears in control. We go short. We know exactly where it was going. 27, the low of the wave, the squeeze 24, and the target 21. Look at it. Look at this beautiful target hit, which give us 10 points from 31 to 21, 10 points on the short 31, and we know that we have to buy 21 because it's not only a counter trend, but it's also the entry for the medium-term play, which is bullish, remember? All right, so this is all 9, 9:15, that right here, 10:07, the overall market direction changed from bullish to sideways. Oh my God, really? Correct. Oh, okay, so sideways, what does that mean? Well, we are now in a bigger channel, low 19, and the high is still, ladies and gentlemen, 37. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. So, we are long 21, 20, and the overall market direction changed from bullish to sideways, then we know that the odds that the price is going to continue going up and test the high of the wave, which is 37, are now smaller. Why? Because we don't have a strong force going up. The strongest force right now is going sideways. So 37, it's a sell, and 19, right? It's right there. What's the low? 1975, we're going to call it 19. And 19, it's a buy. All right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a 1937, right? 37 minus 19, that's 18 points. We are now in an 18-point sideways channel. So, why is it important that you know that? Well, because number one, you are long 21 and you are short 31. If you know now that I'm not expecting the price to clean break the low nor the high, then you are in a much, much better position to manage whatever position you are. All right? All righty then. Okay? We never let a winner turn into a loser, and this is just mathematics, right? You're long 20, 21, price already went to 29, so you are up 9 points on the long 21, and if you took that short 31, which probably you didn't because it was fast and it was in the middle of the open, but if you did like we do all the time, change hats, then you made 11 points all the way to 20. Look at it, from 31 to 20, you made 11 points, because I told you, as long as the price is below 31, you want to be short, and of course, the short term. Waiting to go long our support, right? Waiting to go long our support to play the medium term. That, my friend, doesn't exist in any book, in any bogus course. There's not one single teenager on YouTube, all those millionaire teenagers, that they're going to teach you this. To begin with, they don't even trade. We know that they're all scumbags, right? We know that they've never taken a real trade in their entire life, yet they're millionaires because they have 150,000, some of them have 1 million followers, right? All righty then, so pay attention. All righty, so this pullback from 29, look at this. Tough action. Does it come as a surprise to you? Of course not. Why not? Because I just told you, the market is no longer bullish. It's sideways now. And look at it, right? So we have an 18-point channel, 37.19, right? Which is the big channel. And then, of course, we have a micro channel here, 19.29, 10 points again. All right? Okay, Capi, terrific. So what do we do here at 19? Well, I'm expecting 19 not to be clean taken. Oh, my God, really? Yeah, that's right. So what do you do with the 31 short that you have 3 units? Well, you took 11 points right here at 20, 21. You have 2 units left. Let it ride. Go to target 2. Price never went to 31, so you're not out. The short 31 has not been invalidated. You have 2 units left. What do you want? Well, one thing is what you want, another thing is what the market is going to do. But what is it that you're expecting to happen? Oh my God. The price to break this low, 20, and give me target 2. Hang in there until I give you target 2. Target 2, we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did target 1. Let me see. Clean break of this low, where is the price going? I'm not expecting a clean break because remember what I told you. The direction is sideways, but you never know. Okay, so let's see. All right, so, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I know what's going on with the bears. All right, so the short 31, as long as 31 is not taken, the bearish setup is not invalidated. Target 1, 31, and I know now the odds as to where it wants to go next. All right, so this is what we need to absolutely know real good, my friend. Look at this. All right, 406. That's where it's going. That's target 2. Target 2, ladies and gentlemen, for the short 31. Clean break of this low right here, 19.20. The price is going to be looking to continue going down 14 more points all the way to 06. All right, so that's the aim of the bears. Short 31, right? Bears, because even though we are in a sideways action, the price will break 20 or will break 37. It's going to break one of the two. Break of the low 20, It's going to be looking to continue going all the way to '06. So the job of the bear of the short 31 or the short right here 29, this one right here, price couldn't take it, is to watch the price break the low and continue to '06. All right, and the bulls, let's see. All right, so there is a okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is a level of support between the low 20, this 21 right here, and the target 206. There is one level of support which I'm not expecting the price to clean take it. It's 10. It's 44.10. All right. So the short term play, which is not short anymore, because we no longer have a bullish bias. So the main play short 31, target 121, break of the low, continuation is to a 4-point range 06, 010. Okay? All right. So anybody, those bears holding 2 more units short, as long as 31 is not clean taken, you want to hold on to them and expect the price to break the low and continue to 10 and 06, target 2. Right? Right. Bulls, long, this low right here, once, twice, 3, 4 times right now. It's a double, triple, quadruple bottom, right? It's a quadruple bottom right here, 2021, right? Those bulls are struggling, right? Oh my God, Capi, I took 20 long, price went to 29, gave me 9 points, but then it came right back down. And then it went back up to 20 points again, and it came right back down. And then it went up to again to 28, and now, Capi, this thing is right back down again. Well, let me tell you the terminology for this action. Chop, right? For the bulls. The bears, they're a little bit more comfortable expecting a break of the low and a continuation to 10 and 06. Alrighty. And what are the odds? 50-50. Why? Because we no longer have neither a bullish bias or a bearish bias. We don't have it. Right? Okay. We have a sideways bias. That's what we have. All right, so we need that information. All right? Okay, so the long here, the counter trend long 21, yeah, sure, it went all the way to 29. That's 8 points, right? 8 points, 8 points, 8 points. Chop, 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 chop. A couple of 2-3 minutes ago, we knew that the odds were that the price was going to break the low. So we are expecting a continuation all the way to 10. All right, so the short 31, target 2 is 10. And those of you who are short the rally also, regardless of whether you took the 31 or you took the 27 here or the 28, you are, or if you're taking a breakout, because we know that a break of 21, right here, this 21, price is going to continue going to 10, right? But of course, it's not the same to be short the breakout 21, which we all know what the market does, the smart money, right? Fake breakouts, right? That's why we have to be courageous and take the shot at the beginning of the move. Where is the beginning of the move for this short 31? We locked 10 points 21. Price never goes and invalidates the main play short. You stay short, 2 units left, expecting this confirmation now tell us that the price is going to continue going all the way to 10. So from 10 to 31, that's 21 points that we bear traders, those who shorted the 31, and those who added to a winner 28 right here, right? Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, 27, right? Anything above 27 is a short, add to a winner, or establishing of a new position short. We had to put up with all these 40 minutes of chop. And then 5 minutes ago, the odds told us that that break that I've been expecting is coming, and it's coming to the downside, and we knew this before this break right here at 10:33. And 10 minutes ago, we know where it's going. 44.10. That's where it's going. However, we're not going to be quick at the trigger getting out 44.10, because 44.10 is the high of a 4-point range. The low of target 2 is 06, and the high of target 2 is 10. So the mid range is 08. So we're not gonna be quick at the trigger, locking 410. Let's see how he gets there. All right. Alrighty then. So let's go ahead and continue analyzing the action for this morning, right? Because we have to watch the price action minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, bar by bar, what ranker to ranker, whatever it is you watch. You have one naked chart dedicated to me here. Nothing. You have nothing in that chart. Only the levels that I give you. That's it. That's the only thing that you're gonna draw in your chart. All right. So we're gonna continue analyzing the market, and we need to now know not only, yeah, sure, our forecast is that the price is gonna continue to 10, but we want to know how it's gonna get there, right? Because we know that this thing can easily, right, stop going down, and when the smart money is vicious, we know that they can turn around easily and get you by surprise, right? So our job is to now calculate the odds that our forecast that a clean break of 21, the price is going to continue to 10 for an 11 points, what are the odds? Is it high probability, medium probability, low probability, right? That's what we need to do now. In the meantime, gotta make sure that we don't let the ebb and flow, the ebb and flow, right? We are in a downtrend, and downtrends, of course, they have rallies, and we want to make sure that those rallies that the smart money is going to provoke don't shake us out. All right, unless we can tell that the smart money is not in a rally anymore, but in a change of hat, change of direction, right? Then tie leash on the 2 units left, and look into to buy support. All righty, that's what day trading is. Because remember, we want to take advantage of every single move, right? So bears, what's 21 now? This is resistance. Okay, this is support that became resistance, right? Break of 21. We were expecting a move all the way to 10. It went to 15, so 21, 15. That's 6 points. And support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. 21 is now resistance, and we are still expecting a move to 10. Of course, we need to see how the price is going to behave here. 21, G, 24, 27, and even 29. Right? We bears, we don't want the price to take 21, but we know that this type of chop, it can easily do it. All right? Distract the weak bears into believing that this rally is now going to be a new uptrend, which it could. We know that, but we have to go with the odds, period. Right, so this is mathematics, right? Right, so the break of 31, right? We know that 31 is the main play short, 31 right here, 31. Target 21, that's 10 points. Ebb and flow, ebb and flow, ebb and flow. Break of 21, we way before it broke 21, we already knew that the odds are that it's going to continue to 10. Now, is it going to go to 10 in one straight line? No, we all know that that's not the way the market moves. But we still believe that it is 10 where it's going next. Now, how it's going to get there? Exactly like this. Ebb and flow, right? Break, support, rally, resistance, and then a continuation, right? Recoil, continuation. Now, is that guaranteed? No. Is it possible that 15 is the low of day today and this thing is going to go straight to the moon? Of course it is. That's what trade management is for. Okay? Trade management. Stop, break even, start trailing. As long as the price doesn't take 31, and now even the teenagers have 29, right? Teenagers are sure they don't want the price to take 29, right? Stop, break even, start trailing, right? That's the trail that everybody can see. We have our own levels. 21, 24, 27. Okay. Okay. Chop, this is what chop means, right? In and now, we have to pay commission. Oh my God. Well, it is what it is. All right. I don't have anything telling me that this bounce is going to invalidate the short 31. Nothing. So until I don't have 27 is okay, ladies and gentlemen. 27 is pretty good. All right, 27 just became a medium resistance. 27 just became a medium resistance. Okay, 27. All righty then. So what does that mean? Well, that means that if we still believe that the price is going to go to 10, well, 27, we're going to really watch it really close because that's going to be an add to a winner short or establish a new position short. 27 right here. Okay? Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's exactly what that means. Those of you who are not trading scared money, you know that smart money is going to take 21 just like it did, right? 22, 23, and this is all chop. Right? This is all chop. Okay? As long as we have direction, then we know how to much better manage our position. Now, price took 21 nicely, right? Look at the way it took 21 to the upside. Well, that looks bullish, doesn't it? Of course it does, right? Those traders who went long 16, I take my hat off because I don't have anything telling me to go long 16, right? So those traders who went long 16, you know, kudos for you. All righty, okay. All right, when the smart money is vicious, how do they do it? How do they do it? It's just like this. Right, look at that, from 15 to 26, 12 points, right? And then 12 points, and then it took half of the 12 points in half an hour and the other half in 3 minutes. Bang, boom, bing. Look at that, 3 minutes on that break of 21. Bang! What do you think smart money is doing right now? It's destroying the weak bear. Okay? So this is what I mean when I say we have to watch every single tick, every single minute, every single second, every single bar, that the market does, so it never get us by surprise. And that, my dear ladies and gentlemen, requires 100% of complete control, concentration, and focus. Oh my God, Capi, look at this, man. From 15 to 27. Smart money is really vicious today. You know, they change hats again. They change direction, man. These people are going up now. I know. But what did I tell you about 27 seconds ago? Right? That is going to stop this move up. Oh, is he going to stop it forever? Well, let's see. Right? Boom. 27 quarter, and look at the recoil all the way to 25 half. So it stopped it. It went down 2 points. And what do you think is going to happen right now here? It's a tough chop action. You know? Bears, 31, not taken. We still want to go, right? We still want to continue managing it. Now, is it possible that, like I said, that this low right here is a change of direction? It could be. I don't know it yet. If I had known it, I would have gone long to 16, 17, right? 18 right here. I didn't know. It's not yet, by the way. So what am I doing? I'm going with the odds in terms of direction. What's the direction? Sideways. What's resistance? 27. So what do you do at 27? You short 27. Boom. 27, 24, that's 3 points. Stop break even. All this move from 15 to 27 was nothing but a nasty run to take out the weak bears. We in this room know, however, that 27 is not going to be taken because it's strong enough to stop the price call like it did and had the price recoil down, stop break even. Look at the entry, 27 short. It's a razor sharp entry. It only went one tick. All right? All right. So where does the price go? Gee, 24. What a coincidence. Our other level, 24. Look at that. All right. So where are we at right now? Well, right here, 27, 21. More chop. Time right now, 10:57. Right? 3 more minutes to 11, and we'll continue. We'll continue analyzing and reading the market tick by tick, minute to minute, right? The only trading room in the world that does that every single day, daily, and we post it on YouTube, so there's no way that we can cherry pick any day, right? We do it every single day. Whatever happens, whatever happens is the world is going to know what we did because we do it every single day. As it's happening, minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, and we post it every single day. So there's no way to cherry pick like all those scumbags traders want to be in YouTube do. They teach you a lot of price. They teach you a lot of trading all after the fact. Boom. 21. So 27, 21, that's 6 points. Stop break even. What do we want? We want the price to take this 21. It's not going to be easy. 21 is one of our levels. When the price took 21, it was resistance. It became support. What do you think 21 is right now? Support. Alrighty then. However, we're not going to buy 21, even though it's support. Not that it's not going to work, but we know it's support. We know bulls, those who think that this uptrend, the one from 15 all the way to 27, those who think that this uptrend is going to continue, where do you think they're buying? They're buying right here, 21. We're not going to buy it because we are after a totally different move. We are after 15, and 10. Okay? Now, we don't get married to any move. We can change our hand and we can go back to bullet any second. You just wait for me to tell you. I'll tell you if we're going to do it, and I tell you when we're going to do it. In the meantime, we're going to take advantage of this nice drop from 27, which is an add to a winner. 27 that I gave you 27 seconds, not 20, that I gave you 5 minutes before it went to 27. I told you I put the 27 thicker line so that you know that it's a strong resistance. Right, 27, ladies and gentlemen, and that's 18, 19, so we're up 8 points. Stop, break even, start trailing. Alrighty then. You just listen to me, because this is only a true professional, not only is profitable today, but only a true professional, somebody that knows every single trick of smart money, knows the type of condition that we are on right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Listen, on a day like today, right? This chart. You know how difficult it is to get a razor sharp entry. Razor sharp entry means that we take a shot short and we take no hit at all. Look, 27 quarter, one tick, so that we can be short 27 to the tick. So that's a razor sharp entry, right? It doesn't get any more beautiful like that. On a day like today, are you kidding me? All right, and then look at the swift action for the trade to be profitable. So we have a razor spa, and then we have a fat, right? Fast at break even and SPAC. Look at that. What level do we want the price to take on this trade for us to feel comfortable that we are indeed going to 10.21, right? So in other words, this 27 short that we just took, add to a winner or establish a new position short, right? Triple crown, right? That's next to the Holy Grail. When we get a triple crown action, that's next to the Holy Grail. 21, 17, chop, 15, 21, 21, 17, maybe dancing around 21 right here. If the smart money is really vicious and the bulls just refuse to be destroyed, then there's going to be no man's land here, 21, 24, whatever. We are counting on a recoil test of this pivot low, 18 break, test of that pivot. This 15 is a pivot low also. Take it and give us 10. That's what we're expecting. If we don't get it on a one straight line on this first leg, then what do? Trade management. Stop, break even, start trailing. People take, smart money takes it. We go back short until I tell you not to anymore. If you're trading not scared money, then you're gonna let the market play with you, and you have your solid stop right there. You know that this is not a Lamborghini day, and then you're gonna grade your performance not by if you make $1 million today. You're gonna grade it by how disciplined you were in doing exactly what I told you to do. That's how you're gonna grade yourself. Right. Okay. Right. We trade 10 contracts here. That's this system calls for trading 10 contracts. If you only took 5 contracts right here, right? 5 contracts, sure, 27, and the price just gave us 17 right here, That's $2,200 with 5, right? Look at here, 17, right? That's $5,000 if you took the 10 contract, right? That's $5,000 right here that we made in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. All righty then. All right. Okay. And that, my friends, that's how the cookie crumbles in this room. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So the chop continues. No biggie, right? We just made 27 to 17, we just made 10 points on this nice recoil pullback. Right, 10 points. If you did the 10 contracts, that is what we're supposed to do here. You're up $5,000 right here. You did half only. Okay, you're up 2,500. Now, 24 just went to 25. So now the new resistance is 25. Okay, so bears, we don't want the price to clean take 25 for us to expect a continuation down, right all the way to 15 and that long, far away target to 10. This could take the entire day for the price to go to 10. If it's going to go to 10, it could take all day. What time it is right now? It's 11:12. We all know that at 11:30 official chop begins, right? But the market, it's revealing itself. We are counting on 25, 27 for the price to clinch off of these two resistance, all right? Just so that you know, this 27, that's a swing high. Most traders have no clue what a swing high is. They say it because they hear other traders want to be talking about it, but they really don't know how to make a difference. How do you know this is a swing high and not this one or this one or this one right here? How do you know, right? Okay, this one in our system, it's a real swing high. So we are expecting this level not to be broken, and it doesn't matter if it takes all day for the price to break this 17, 15 and give us our 10. I don't have a golf appointment. No, I don't play golf. I'm gonna stay here trading all day. So if it takes all day, so be it. And if the overall market direction change, I'll be here also to watch it and manage my position. Now we know that at 11:30, then all bets are off. We don't take new trades after 11:30, right? Of course, because the odds really, really go against us. But as long as we have a position, keep on riding it. Unless you want to go play tennis, right, or do whatever it is you do, then plan your day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's 11, right? Oh, gee, what do you think they're doing? Yeah. Right, look at that. Look at the jumpers, right? Those traders that know the strength of our support 10 jumping the gun. But we'll see about that. Look at that. Jump the gun where to? Look at that. 11.5 to 14. 3 points in 3 seconds, right? All right, that's the smart money making it difficult for the amateurs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so right, smart money playing with us here a little bit. Gave us 11, 1 point to the high of our target 2. And time right now, please, come on. 12 noon. All right. Okay, so it looks like we all know that beginning 11:30 official shot begins. So how long is it gonna take for us to ride it all the way to 06? And remember, this is target 2 only. I have target 3. As a matter of fact, I already do. But let's go ahead and first get um, let's have the price test or target 2, and then we'll take it from there. Remember, from now on, this could take the entire day, or it could take a couple of minutes. It is what it is. So pretty much, it looks like this is gonna be it. Hold on a second. What a day, right? Well, anyway, so those of us who are patient and we know exactly all the tricks of the smart money and and we have 100% discipline to do what we're supposed to do. We're still there, right? So enough for today. Remember, there are a lot of traders wannabes desperate to teach you, right? They want to sell you some bogus trading course, right? It's okay, no problem. Tell them, hey, listen, if you want me to buy your crappy BS course, before I do it, would you please read the market for me, live, real time, as it's happening, so that you can prove to me that whatever it is you're trying to sell me actually really works. Now I'm gonna tell you, right there, they're gonna give you a whole bunch of excuses because they know they're not gonna do it. They cannot do it. So in other words, they want you to buy their bogus course on a leap of faith. So remember, if it's not live, it's not real. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so quick recap as to what's been going on so far. So we opened today, we knew 31, the importance of 31 to be short below. We take a shot short 31. We knew the price was gonna go to, here it is, target 1, 21, 10 points. And we remained short, right? Because we wanted to go to target 2, right? Which is 44.10. So how do we do that? Well, we let it ride. Our 31 was never taken, so we still have a couple of units left. And then we get this beautiful rally, which a lot of traders thought there was a change in direction, that this rally was going to be the not a rally, but a continuation up, right? Instead of a rally in a downtrend, a lot of traders thought that, oh, the trend is up, so they started going long. They went long right here. We, on the other hand, had this 23. Look at the way I put it, right? We knew that this 27 was a golden entry short for us to add to a winner or establish a new position short, 27, and then we get a triple crown right here. It's a razor sharp entry. It goes immediately to break even, and then it gives us a break of that 25 and 21, making it comfortable for us to let it ride all the way to target 2 right here, 44.11. You know that it's okay to get out a point above, a point below. So here we go, and we get 10 points on the first target, 20 points on the second one, and yes, I know it's 12 here, and look at what happens again at, as a matter of fact, look at it, another triple crown, and another triple crown. Look at this, 27. Once it gives us 27, 11, right? How many points is that? 27, 18. How many points is that? 27 back to 11. How many points is that, ladies and gentlemen? And that's what we do here every single day. This is how the cookie crumbles. And there's no reason for us to get all out. Well, remember, this area right here is the high of target 2. The low of target 2 is 06. Well, let's see if the price is eventually gonna give us the low of target 2, or at least the mid-range. 610 was the mid-range. 08, isn't it? Hang in there, right? As long as you are trading still, then let it ride, my friend. And remember, this is target 2. We still have target 3, which I have it already, but like we always do, let's read the market tick by tick. Boom. Taking 11, we all know where is this baby going, do we not? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the price continue going our direction, respecting every single one of our levels of support and resistance. As you can see, I have target 3 right here, 97, not 400. 400 is a psychological level. We all know that a bounce off of this psychological level was, please, expected, right? Our level, it's 97. So we're gonna let it ride all the way to 97. This is target 3. And what time it is right now? 42, right? 2:42. We have about another hour or so to go. And this might be a day that we go for the last target